Anyway, so what do you do when you're on lockdown other than cook and clean all day? Well, it seems all the cool kids are making videos. So I thought I'd make a video about a quick little tip on the simplest, easiest way to place a diffuser on an umbrella. Okay? Now with that said, let me go ahead and pull this out. This first umbrella that I'm going to do is a 33-inch small, or 33-inch deep, small 33-inch Easy Lock by Glow. Alright? Now, I'm sure that most people are actually doing what I'm going to show you. Alright? But it's really hard to tell. Because I still see some people doing it the long, hard way. Right? The long, hard way of placing a diffuser on an umbrella is to place it over the umbrella. There's several different ways, but this is one. And then you place it on here, and then you turn the umbrella around. It slips off and it falls off, and it is a pain. Alright? Now, the simplest, easiest way to do it is simply take your diffuser, hold it with the hole up, place your umbrella down in it, and open it up, and presto, your diffuser is on your umbrella. It's done. See how easy that was? Now with that said, let me go ahead and chuck this to the side. With that said, it's important. This is important, alright? I'm doing this with a deep umbrella. Deep doesn't matter, but I've got fiberglass rods, 16 fiberglass rods, alright? Or ribs, or whatever you want to call them. Personally, I would not do that with an umbrella that has aluminum rods, because the aluminum is more likely to bend, because there is a considerable amount of pressure put on it when you take and open the umbrella. I certainly wouldn't do it with a standard 8-sided umbrella that has aluminum rods. I've only got one of those left. These days I use all deep umbrellas. It's just my thing, right? Now, with that said, you saw me do it with that little 33-inch umbrella. This really comes in handy when you're doing it with a big umbrella, all right? Because if it's a pain to put it on a small 33-incher, when you get a large umbrella like this, it really becomes a problem. This is a, what is it? The Umbrella Deep Silver XL. It's 65-inch umbrella by Profoto. All right. Where did I put my thing? And this is where you really start. It really starts helping you out, right? I'm gonna go ahead and open up this diffuser real quick. I'm gonna place my umbrella down in there. Yeah. And when you do that twisty turn thing with these big umbrellas, it takes forever and it constantly comes off. But I'm just going to sit up here, place the tip of the umbrella on the ground, and there you have it. It's on. None of this slipping and falling off. It's done. It is that easy. Anyway, that is my tip for today. Y'all be cool and have a happy day. I am out of here. Bye-bye.